Well, slowly but surely, the world has started to open back up and get back to normal. And starting tomorrow, same goes for medical center hospitals' COVID floor. The hospital's opening up the COVID unit to visitors. News West 9's Rachel Ripp, she joins us live from MCH. Rachel, by no means does this mean there's not going to be rules in place. Can you give us the specifics on, what MCH is going to be doing?
Good evening, Sammy. In just a few hours, specifically at 5 in the morning, is when these barricades will be gone right below this visitor entrance here. And visitors will be able to come in and visit their loved ones battling COVID-19, but they're going to have to jump through a few hoops first, or rather, jump into some PPE. It's been 402 days since these hospital doors were open to the public. The barricade serving as a reminder of how this virus left us all feeling isolated, socially distanced, and in fear of spreading or contracting the virus. But thanks to the vaccine, the barricade to the COVID unit at MCH is going away.
We're at our lowest COVID numbers in more than a year, so we felt it was time to start allowing people back into the building. Now, this is obviously not going to be a free-for-all again where you can just come in and roam around. That's the last thing we want.
MCH is allowing one visitor per day on the COVID floor. They can stay as long as they want, but they can't come and go from the hospital. They need to don full PPE, and it must be prearranged and scheduled with the charge nurse. MCH will have greeters roaming the first floor to help you get to where you need to go. There won't be temperature checks or sign-ins required, but masks are.
We don't want those large crowds still in the waiting room as we're still battling this virus, but we are just trying to open it up for more people to come in and see their loved ones in a very, very safe and responsible way.
Not only is this great news for patients and their families, it's also lessening the load for healthcare workers.
From those I've talked to, it's a good thing. Our workers have worked so hard during this pandemic. They've had to be nurses, doctors, while also having to be caretakers and people as well. They're having to facilitate phone calls and FaceTimes in addition to their normal clinical duties.
It's just 1 inch closer back to normal. Now, over at Odessa Regional and Midland Memorial, they are only allowing visitors on the COVID-19 floor if it's an end-of-life situation. So for more details on the hospital visitation policy here in the Basin, you can visit our website. That's newswest9.com. Reporting live in Odessa, I'm Rachel Ripp. Back to you.